Termly was started with one goal in mind: to make data compliance for businesses around the globe as easy, affordable, and user-friendly as possible, while providing the most comprehensive policy and consent solution on the market. As data privacy laws like the GDPR and CCPA continue to evolve, businesses of all sizes are being asked to implement transparency on how they use their customers' data. Whether you are a small or enterprise business, law firm, tech professional, compliance professional, or agency, Termly can help you build a comprehensive compliance solution. By creating an account with Termly, you have the power to generate a fully customized privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer, and refund policy. You also have access to a robust cookie consent management tool that includes an automated website scanner to index all your cookies, a user preference center, Termly's auto blocker, and customized language and banner settings, which are all backed by Termly's legal department. With one click, you can publish your consent solution and policies to your website and gain access to dedicated customer support to keep you up to date on new privacy laws and regulations. 300,000 customers worldwide trust Termly with their data privacy compliance so they can concentrate on their business. Implement the Termly all-in-one data privacy solution today and take the first steps towards compliance.